So much to learn about, it'll make you want to shout, Blippi!
Hey, it's me, Blippi, and today you and I are gonna draw a bee. Bzzz. Not just any bee, bee from Lellobee City Farm. Whoa, bees are very important for our environment and pollination. All right, to draw a bee, I'm gonna take blue and draw a circle for the head. Ooh, an arched line for the body. Ooh, and some more curved lines for the wings. There we go. And can't forget about the cute legs. Ooh, and 2 arms. There we go. Wow. All right, let's draw some circles for the eyes like that. Whoa, there we go. It's starting to look like bee, right? And then some suspenders. There we go. Yeah, for the overalls. Cool. And bee actually has stripes, just like a regular bee. There we go. And then let's draw a big smile, just like that. And you can't forget about the antennas. There we go. All right, if you love drawing with me and want to draw some more, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I, Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye.
Come on everyone, let's make learning fun. So much to learn about, it'll make you want to shout, Blippi!